How to change name on TikTok. And okay guys, here in your TikTok homepage, okay, you'll have to do is go to profile. Here in profile, okay, you can see here the edit profile. Okay, you'll have to do is click this and the pop-up are show. Here in pop-up, you can see here the name. Okay, the name is Pinoy Kaba. So if you want to change this, okay, you'll have to do is click the name and now you can change this. And I changed the name into Mga Tao. And okay guys, after that, click save button on the pop-up to save the name. Okay, set nickname, so you can only change your nickname once every 7 days. So okay, you'll have to do is click the confirm button to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.